It is a keyboard. But not just a keyboard. It's very portable. You can take it anytime, anywhere. Simple connection. Multifunctional external connections. Let you reach your imagination and create infinite future. This is an unprecedented and efficient way of working. It is dedicated for you. Be with you in happy hours. For game or chat. Across the boundary. Multitask fast processing. It can also be connected to a mobile phone to broaden your horizons and enrich your lifestyle. It is FICIHP K1 and K2. You will have
Can we make vlogging more fun? Of course we can.
Hello everyone, after years of producing microphones, we are excited to announce Enquiry's mic. The vlogging revolution begins.
Enquiry's mic is impressive magnetic technology which gives you the opportunity to replace the clip with one of these cool badges. We've already patented this technology.
Fastening the lapel mic is no longer just a routine. With Enquiry's mic, it's fun, comfortable, and quick.
It isn't just a boring lapel mic with a regular clip. It's an easy-to-use magnetic lapel microphone with a custom look. It's easy enough for new users and professional content creators. You can choose from 4 options: mic under your clothes, magnetic badge on top, magnetic clip in a suitable position, magnetic holder under your t-shirt, mic on your clothes, and a completely invisible body patch.
You won't be using a microphone anymore because you have to. With Enquiry's mic, you'll want to.
Our microphone will fit great thanks to the powerful magnet. And that's right, the magnet does not affect the sound quality at all.
To create videos, all you'll need is the smartphone, the Enquiry's mic, and your brains. And you already have the first and the third.
We want people to enjoy our microphones. Enquiry's mic allows you to stand out from the crowd. It's the perfect gift for everyone who wants to make vlogging fun. Video blogs, live streams, conferences, and interviews. Enquiry's mic is suitable for any kind of recording. If you need an interview set, check our rewards. In our stretch goals, we will make endless badge customization to highlight your appearance. Our world has changed in a way we could never have imagined. We've been working on this product to make it radically different from what we've seen before. Because hey, These times, we've all been facing changes. What's in the box? A magnetic lapel microphone, magnetic badges, a magnetic clip, a magnetic mic holder, an invisible patch, a 4 to 3 pin adapter, an extension cord, and a deluxe pouch. We'll have it delivered from our factory no matter what. COVID, a meteorite, any imaginable.
Style and innovation. Let's give this to the world together.
When we found these waterproof knit sneakers, I was super excited. They could potentially totally replace your rain boots.
I love that idea too, because if you want to go to the gym or you want to be active and it's like you have to bring sneakers and you have to bring rain boots. What?
Yeah.
They're so cute.
I know, I like all the colors they come in too.
Oh, wow. Okay, this girl is literally walking in mud. Also, like, almost seems too good to be true.
Exactly, like I feel like it would reach a point where it's too soaked. All right, well, I think it's time we try them out.
Cool, let's go.
Yeah, that's wet. That's just, it's like soupy. I don't feel it. Yeah, that feels totally dry.
Honestly, my feet, the outside of this shoe feels super wet, but my sock is totally dry.
But my normal shoe, let me tell you, my foot is freezing. Like, it's definitely just like soggy and everything you hate about walking in the rain.
Yeah.
This membrane we've created has millions of pores. So these pores are small enough where water gets blocked and cannot enter the shoe, but then it is big enough where moisture from inside the shoe, for example, your body heat can escape. Your body heat and sweat can kind of be slowly dispersed out from inside, making sure you're not too stuffy.
We jumped around in puddles. They were dry. We took them through a walk through the rain. They were dry. We literally submerged them in a tub of water and they were still dry. I think it's pretty simple. They work and I would reach for these over rain boots.
Totally.